Hi, I'm Attorney Jay Ruane. This is a video log presentation for February 12th. Now that you're facing a DUI charge, you probably need to know how to choose the best lawyer for your case. Well, there's different types of lawyers, and some lawyers are better positioned than others in handling DUI cases. In essence, there are 4 types of lawyers that you might find when dealing with a DUI case. The first is the public defender. The second is the discounted lawyer. The third is the general practitioner. And the fourth is the DUI lawyer. I'll talk about each one of them shortly. But most importantly, you need to find a lawyer that you feel comfortable representing you in front of a judge and with a prosecutor. This is because 99% of the process in which a lawyer represents you is done without your direct involvement. First, the public defender. A public defender is a person who is employed by the state of Connecticut. The state of Connecticut has a division of public defender services that are appointed lawyers for people of low or modest means. Generally speaking, if you earn more than $150 a week, you will not qualify for a public defender. This is because they are reserved for only people in dire straits or people who cannot afford to hire their own attorney. The discount practitioner is an attorney who focuses on one courthouse and usually uses the lobby of their courthouse as their office. Many times, they don't have a secretary or even have meeting space. Rather, they do everything on the fly and tell you to bring cash to the courthouse, and they will deal with you then. These discounted lawyers focus on a large turnover of business. They don't put in adequate time in investigating your case, and instead focus on pleading you as quickly and as quietly as possible to maintain a little bit of profit in their cases. They figure that since they're already going to be at that courthouse, taking on one more case, no matter whether it's a sexual assault, DUI, drug possession, or domestic violence, they can eke out a little bit of profit and get your case closed as quickly as possible. The general practitioner. The general practitioner is an attorney who not only handles modest criminal matters, but also probate, family law, and perhaps house closings. Now, you know what they say, a jack of all trades is master of none. These general practitioner lawyers have found that by handling a little bit of everything, they can make a decent income. But you ask yourself, are these the people who you want with your life in their hands? Just because they say that they handle a DUI case doesn't mean that they have the skill and knowledge necessary to adequately and effectively represent you before a court. Oftentimes, they charge on a flat fee basis in similar price range of what they charge for a house closing or a will or something to that effect. They may not put in the necessary time to actually develop a case for you and present that case to a prosecutor or a judge. They see themselves as merely a legal services provider no matter what you need, and that may not be what you need right now. Finally, there are the DUI lawyers, like myself. There are only a handful of us in the state, and 3 of them practice with me. Our lawyers are dedicated to the defense of DUI charges, almost to the exclusion of all other cases. We have very few cases that are not DUI or DUI related in our office, probably less than 1%. And that's the truth. By law, a lawyer can't say that they specialize in any particular area of the law. But you should ask every lawyer that you talk to what percentage of their cases are DUI or DUI related. That will give you an idea as to how much they focus on the area of DUI. A DUI lawyer is more expensive than a discounted lawyer. Discount lawyers sometimes even send you out letters saying, hey, I can take your case for X amount of dollars. Do you want a lawyer who has to send out a letter to get business? You want a lawyer with a reputation for excellence, not a reputation for scraping the bottom of the barrel. Feel free to give me a call. I'm here to help. Anybody in my office is happy to take your phone call and explain to you how we might be able to help you. It's a scary time, and we understand that. That's why we're here for you. Our phones are answered 24 hours a day, and we absolutely do not charge for any sort of consultation. If you hire us, we will give you the absolute best we can in DUI defense in Connecticut.